Hello everybody, Oberg here. Ms Rhonda's out there just fishing up a storm. Yes she is. Yes she is. She's having herself a good time. I'm sitting over here with an ugly stick. That's the name of that rod right there. It's got too heavy a line on it for the rooster tail I got on it, but it'll work. My son was, I guess, using it for catfishing. But anyways, got my OMS billiard out, my work pipe, my play pipe, got my red seal out. I wanted some of that Copenhagen mint that 1972 Woodsman sent Oberg, but daggone it. Left my glasses and my snuff. Well, no, I put my snuff in my dry storage back here. Put it back there in the dry storage. And I'm too scared to try to reach around there. I had Ms Rhonda come alongside me and see if she could get it out, but I was scared. I was scared. But I'm getting my sea legs. Yes, I am. I'm getting those sea legs here. And I keep moving my paddle all the way up on one side. But anyways, I've started this video over 3 or 4 times, but it's all been about the same thing. I was showing off the lake. This is a small lake called Greenbrier Lake. Yes, it is. And I'm gonna try to turn around for you. Orient a little bit. We got some company over here. We got a man and a woman coming up here. They fishing. Having themselves a good time. Ms Rhonda's going to town. But any words, I'll get back with you in just a minute. See if I can catch a fish. Real pretty up in here. Ought to be some fish right in here. Ms Rhonda. I found her. Let's see. She's fishing up a storm. Yes, she is. Beautiful, beautiful place. I used to come down here and fish when I was a boy. Wishing I had me a boat to get out here. Wishing. And everything seems so much bigger when you're a boy. It seemed like it'd take me so long to get around there. And I'd fish. I'd fish over on a bluff. Up in that cove over there. And for some reason it's grown up over there now. And you can't I don't know if you can get up in there or not. I'm gonna go see in a minute, but anyways, we're fishing and having ourselves a good time here. Got my snuff. I guess I told y'all that a while ago, out of my pocket. Like never got it out without feeling like I was gonna turn over, but I got it. But I'm gonna pause it and we'll be back. Ms Rhonda has got a fish. She has got a good one. Oh, she got a little perch. Good job, Rhonda. Hold it up, I'm gonna come over there. I'm gonna pause it and go over here and see what this woman caught, I think. Yeah, Ms Rhonda has caught one. First fish in the kayak. You want to get him off? Can you get him off? You better.
Got him in 2 hooks.
May have to pause it and help her out where she don't kill the poor fella. But yeah, she caught him on a rooster tail. Be right back. We are having ourselves a good time catching a few little fish, little sun perch or brim. I'll put it this way, Ms Rhonda's catching fish. I haven't caught fish. But any words. Having myself a good little time, yes I am. There's some folks up there fishing. Well, Ms Rhonda has got a bass. She caught a little bass. She is wearing Berg out. Let me make my way over there and help her out. Ms Rhonda, hold it up. She's got herself a bass. I told y'all she could fish. I told y'all. Loves to fish. The woman loves to fish. Her Repelican, her little trailblazer, is doing mighty good. Can you get it off of there? Can you get it? Can you get it? Oh, this camera. It's running now. Don't touch it. There's your fish. You're holding it the wrong way.
I thought you had it.
Fish. There you go. You take the fish. Give me the camera. There we're going. And there's your bait out there. And she turned him loose. We're holding the camera all wrong. We weren't prepared to catch fish. We were prepared to come out and learn how to kayak, but evidently she caught on pretty quick. And I hadn't been fishing too much. I've just been kind of looking around and throwing, but not trying to make any excuses. But she always outfishes me most of the time. But anyway, I'm glad we got that on film. Anyway, we're gonna keep fishing and we'll be back. Ms Rhonda is fishing up storm. I've got one bite. I don't know. I think I might have brought the wrong fishing pole. A little too heavy for this, but any words. I'm saying the line. I got spider wire on it, but too heavy for this bait I'm using. And I can't change it because my tackle's in my dry area. But anyway, I'll get it in a minute. Well, I want to stop this video and I want to hope everybody's having a great weekend. And I'm going to upload this video and it's going on 10 minutes and I may do another one. But I want to get this one out because Ms Rhonda caught some fish and I want to make sure it uploads just in case something happens to the camera or something. But everybody keep on chooching. Have them a good weekend. We'll see y'all in a little bit.